Hello 8th graders, this is Mrs. Lockey. In this video I'm going to show you how to drag and drop your digital note cards into your outline. And I actually did this already, but I messed up the recording. So I'm redoing the recording, but I'm going to show you what I did. So over here on the outline, find your first body paragraph. And my first body paragraph, the reason is health problems. And so then I know these three pieces of evidence are what I want to put into the outline. So what I did previously in a video that I was recording but then accidentally deleted is I took each note card and I drug it over here and I hovered right over the evidence and dropped it. Okay, so I did one there. And then once I did that, I got a little check mark. And then I brought this one over. Hovered over evidence 2 and dropped it. And then this one I brought over, hovered over evidence 3 and dropped it. And then once you drop the note cards in, you see the little icon of a note card. So I moved over my 3 pieces of evidence for body paragraph 1. And then body paragraph 2 is about poor work performance. So I come over here to my note cards and I have 2 pieces of evidence for poor work performance. And so what I did is I came over here and I hovered over this piece of evidence and dropped that card in. And then my second piece of evidence I dropped right here. And you can see when I do that, I have the little note cards right there where the evidence is. Then for body paragraph 3, my reason was suicide, and I have 2 pieces of evidence, and so I came over and I did this previously in a video that got deleted, and I dropped my note card there, and then I dropped my other note card there. Okay, so after you drag and drop your evidence into the evidence portions of each body paragraph in the outline, we want to then export this outline with the evidence into Google Docs to start organizing our paper. So the next step is you come over to print and it says outline with note cards. Okay, so I'm going to select that and I want to export to Google Docs, so I'm going to choose that, and then it asks me what note card items to print. And I'm going to uncheck some of the boxes that have information that's not needed in my outline. So I want to keep the source because it'll help me create in-text citations that match my source. But I don't need the URL in my outline. I don't need the page numbers. I don't need tags. I don't need cues. I do want to have my quotation and my paraphrase and my ideas, because quotation and paraphrase is my evidence and my ideas is my commentary. I'm going to uncheck History Creator and I'm going to hit Submit. Okay, so then you can see that my outline now came in to a Google Doc, and it basically put my note card information into my outline. Okay. And that's has everything there, and then there's parts of the outline that we're going to add later. Okay, but this is kind of the start of the outline, which will then become the paper. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and end this video now and do a separate video for the next step. Thank you.